This set of 5 Leverhulme Lectures in Chinese philosophy is presented as part of my visiting professorship at the University of Aberdeen in the first half of 2023. My host is Professor Michael Beanie, Regis Chair of Logic at Aberdeen University and Professor of the History of Analytic Philosophy at Humboldt University in Berlin. Mike is a terrific host, and I'm deeply appreciative of all he's done to bring me here. I'm very much looking forward to discussions on Chinese philosophy with him and others over this period. I'm grateful to Leverhulme Trust for bringing me here and to Aberdeen University for having me. My lecture series aims to provide an overview of early Chinese philosophy by highlighting key thinkers and themes. The first lecture covers general remarks on engaging Chinese philosophy. Subsequent lectures cover topics from Confucius's Analects, the Mozi, the Tao Te Ching, and the Zhuangzi. Unlike a typical introduction, where one might find a sample of ideas articulated in relation to each of the traditions, I've chosen to focus on specific topics. I discuss epistemological issues in the Analects, philosophical argumentation in the Mozi, the conception of Tao in relation to Taoist philosophy, and questions concerning disability in the Zhuangzi. I hope you will enjoy the lectures. Thank you.